Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. I am also fine here. Today I will be sharing with you all the most requested video, my weight loss journey. But before starting, those of you don't know my weight. 8 months ago my weight used to be 69 and now my weight is 55 kg. So I have lost around 14 kgs of weight. How I did this? What habits did I change? And what are my routines? I will be sharing all this with you all. I was actually always very conscious about my weight. But when I had my third baby, my weight increased a lot. I did not realize it. I was preoccupied with my children and did not think about how much weight I have put on. After 6 months of having my baby, we went to India for vacation. During one of the function, all my relatives, sisters and my friends said that I have gained a lot of weight. Don't you do any exercise after delivery? And many more comments. When I heard this, I was shocked to realize what had happened to me. Then I checked my pictures. I gained a lot of weight on my shoulder, my face, my whole body looked huge. Then I decided from there that I must do something for this. I don't want to gain any more weight. After coming from India, I started to search in Google, YouTube and joined in many social groups to get more ideas to lose the weight. It was not so easy as I was always busy with my kids. I changed my lifestyle. I didn't go for any crash diet. I wanted to lose weight in a healthy way and maintain it. So by doing these tricks, my weight started to lose. One thing is that I completely avoided sugary items and the fried snacks. Some ways, sugar can be the main reason for the weight gain. It has no nutrition value. So in this way, I start my morning. Early in the morning, I used to take 1 glass of warm water by adding half of the lemon juice and also half teaspoon of honey into it. And again after 15 minutes, I used to have 1 more glass of warm water. For breakfast, I used to have the same food which I prepare for everyone. Sometimes it would be oats porridge or brown bread with the spread of peanut butter and a cup of tea, which make me full stomach for a longer period of time. At 11 o'clock, I used to take my green tea. It comes in many flavors. Green tea provides many benefits for us and our health. It helps in melting the fat, which is very good if we are willing to lose the weight. It can help us to burn up to 70 calories in just one day. As I was in breastfeeding, sometimes I used to feel so hungry. So at that time, I used to have some almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, magnesium, fiber and many more which are beneficial for our body. And sometimes I would take some fruits too. In between, I used to take 2 to 3 glasses of water too. Then comes our lunch time. I used to have my lunch at 2 o'clock. I used to serve the rice, side dish, everything in one plate. When we have our regular food at right proportion, we can keep a control in eating. So it helps to achieve weight loss easily. Again in the evening, I would have a cup of green tea and in between will take 2 to 3 glasses of water. Night, At 8 o'clock, I would finish my dinner. And again, I used to serve everything in one plate. Before going to bed, again I would have another glass of water with half of lemon juice. Having lemon juice really made wonder in losing weight. On weekend, we used to go outside. So every weekend is my cheat day. I love eating pizzas, burger, etc. So on that day, I eat whatever I want. For calorie tracking, I use the app called Healthify.me. Healthify.me is a mobile health and fitness app. The best part is that it has a calorie count of Indian food. We get contextual feedback and remain on a healthy track. When diet is 80%, the rest 20% is workout. I didn't go to gym to do a heavy workout. Almost like 11:30 a.m., I would like to do some exercise for 20 to 25 minutes. I used to change the workouts all the other day. For example, one day for abs and the next day I would switch to another parts. For easy counting, I use the app called Tabata Counter, which helps a lot and you won't feel bored while doing your workout. Next day, I would do 500 jumps using the jumping rope or a skipping rope. Then, taking my baby, I couldn't go to gym. So I used to play in the TV Leslie Sanson's Walk at Home and would walk with this. This also helped me a lot in losing weight. By doing all this, I reduced my weight. Now, if you are looking for any diet, I would suggest Keto diet or LCHF diet. This diet is widely popular that stuck through longer than many of the fad diet that comes and goes. This simple diet where counting calories is not at all important and you get to eat a bunch of really delicious food. My brother-in-laws are following this diet and they got a tremendous results within a month. This diet will give the perfect results if you do it in a right way. We'll be posting some easy and yummy recipe for this keto diet. Hope this video was helpful to those who like to lose weight slowly and easily in a healthy way. Stay fit and stay happy. Do try and do put your comments below. Do like, do share and do subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.